Listen to the happy rhyme for kids. Quack, 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 the ducks say loud, waddling along, they're very proud. They splash in puddles, flap their wings, listen to the song they sing. Quack, 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 let's all shout, waddle around and flap about. Quack, 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 come and play, in the pond we'll swim all day. Waddle, waddle, here we go, left foot, right foot, nice and slow. Little ducks are on parade, dancing through the sunny glade. Waddle left, waddle right, waddle, waddle, what a sight. With a wiggle and a shake, join the fun for goodness sake. Splish splash the ducklings go into the water, fast or slow. They swim and dive, what a sight, paddling around with all their might. Splish splash everywhere, water droplets in the air. Paddle here, paddle there, ducklings swim without a care. Down to the pond the ducks all go, swimming fast and swimming slow. Their feathers shine, their beaks so bright, they splash around from morning to night. Quack and swim all day long, sing with us the duck pond song. Flap your wings and swim in line, being a duck is so divine. 5 ducks in a row, marching in a line so neat. Little ducks with tiny feet, quacking softly side by side. Off they go for a fun ride. Quack, quack, ducks in a row, waddling fast, waddling slow. Follow the leader, don't be late, marching ducks look so great. It's a bright and sunny day, time for ducks to come and play. They swim and waddle in the sun, being a duck is so much fun. Quack, quack, let's all cheer, ducky fun is happening here. Waddle, swim and flap away, join us for a ducky day. Tiny ducklings 1, 2, 3, marching proudly full of glee. In a row they quack and sing, flapping tiny yellow wings. Waddle, march, follow the beat, little ducklings on tiny feet. Quack and cheer, here they come, ducklings marching one by one.